Welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. Today I will share another new application based on attendance, payroll and payslip. And this application has login and logout system for employees. You don't have to do attendance for your employees manually. And this application support multiple year attendance. I think your total workload regarding payroll job will be reduced to 1/3 of your time needed now. And if you waste a lot of time creating attendance sheet, payroll sheet and payslip, then maybe you are searching for an Excel sheet or application to reduce your workload and save your valuable time. Then I bet your searching is going to end. So let's show you how this multiple year attendance sheet cum payroll sheet works. Then we will learn how to create this step by step in upcoming videos. If you need this file, contact me. My contact link is given in the description box, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit the like button to support us. So without wasting any more time, let's begin this demonstration. In this attendance sheet, there are 8 sheets to work, and one is a helper sheet which is required to do some extra calculation to make the attendance sheet dynamic. So let's explain every sheet one by one. So this is the folder where we will do all these works. So here we can see the file employee attendance cum payroll. In this attendance sheet we will do all this work. But before that, we can see here more 4 folders. First one is employee images, where all the images of the employee will be saved. Number 2, image folder. Image folders are the files that are used in different user forms and files. In payslip, all the payslips of the employee will be saved here with different folders of employee name. In payroll folder, we will save all the payroll sheets year wise. So these works are done automatically. So now first we will see how we will take the attendance of employees. So first click this file. You can see that here we got employee attendance system. Choose a category. You are admin or employee. Suppose our employee is taking his attendance, then he will click employee. After that, that employee will put his email ID. Suppose I am giving EMP001, then click submit. We can see that employee is Prashant Shil and his image has been displayed. Now he has to give his user ID and password, that is Shil 123. I am giving 4. So it is showing employee ID or password doesn't match, contact your administrator. And if I give here 123, now see login. Thanks for your attendance. Your logged in time has been submitted successfully and you logged in at 9 to 33 p.m. Okay, the attendance of employee 1 has been taken. He logged in into office. Now next employee, so employee EMP002, submit. Now user ID Sinha123, login. Again his login time has been taken. Now third employee EMP003, Shil2123, login. We have taken the attendance of 3 employees for the login, and I will take attendance of for logout. Now suppose employee 3 is leaving office, so he will take his attendance EMP003, submit, Shil2123, logout. Thanks for the attendance. Your logged out time has been submitted successfully and you logged out at 9:03 p.m. So this user has logged out from the office. So we have done 3 attendance, 2 for logged in and 1 for logged in and logged out. Let's see that these data are submitted in our database or not. For that we have to enter as admin. So click here, click admin, EMP000, submit, admin user and password, login. We logged into the file. Now you can see here The attendance for third employee, that is Chandrashil, manager, his attendance is done as present. That means he has logged in and logged out, so his attendance showing as present. But this employee, that is Prashant Shil, showing absent. Sudeep Sinha is also showing absent because their attendance has entered only for as entry, not exit. When if they logged out from the office, then the attendance will be completed and that will be affected in this attendance sheet. So in this way, when we take attendance, all these data are entered into this attendance database and they will be affected in this attendance sheet. Now we can see here there are different sheets. One is helper, blank, settings, employee database, user ID, attendance database, leave database, attendance sheet, payroll sheet, and payslip. So we will discuss all of them one by one. So first, let's understand the setting sheets, how this setting sheet works. Here you can see the period start date and period end date, and here is a list of month. So in the attendance sheet, we are seeing here the attendance year is January 22, January 2020 to December 2020, and your attendance month is November 2020. But the settings, if you put here 21, then see the end periods automatically changed and that are affected here also. You can see here the attendance year is January 2021 to December 2021 and the attendance for the month of November 2020 is showing. But as you select this, you can see here this is changed. So let's go here again. So if your attendance needs a date like 1st April 2020, see here the end period became 31st March 2021 and your month list changed from April to March. And in the attendance sheet also you get attendance year for April 2020 to March 2021 and this is not updated. So just click here once again and you got November 2020. So in this way, as this start period changes that are affected in everywhere, attendance sheet, payroll or payslip everywhere. So this is all about period start date, end date and monthly settings. Now we will understand week of settings. So here we can see that there are 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and a checkbox beside every days. So you can check or uncheck the boxes if you want that day to be your week off day. Like here Sunday is checked and Saturday is checked, and the attendance sheet we can see here Saturday and Sunday are week offs. So if you change here from suppose Friday and Saturday, in the attendance sheet Friday and Saturday are shown as week offs and all the calculations are done on the basis of these weeks off. So here we can see that total work day is 21. There is one holiday and 8 weekends. As I change this, click Sunday as also week off, in the attendance sheet we can see that there are total 16 work days, 1 holidays and 13 weekend. So you can understand that whenever we change these settings, all the calculation also changed. So this is all about week of settings. Now let's understand the setting of holidays. In holidays, you have to enter the holiday name and the dates. This is very simple setting, but one by one you have to enter all the holidays. Suppose you have completed your 1 year attendance, just enter here the next holiday dates here one by one of the current year. But remember, after doing your attendance of a current month, you have completed your payroll, everything. After that, you cannot delete any dates or add any dates to this list, because that will affect the previous month's salary, attendance, everything. Suppose, let's see here. Here I will put some dates. Before that, I will show you here. Prashanto Shil has one present, two present, one UPD. On 10th and 11th November, I will add new holiday dates. So here I change this to 10 and here as 11. Now go to attendance sheet. You can see here these two dates are showing holidays. He is present at 10 on before, but now it is showing one present and no UPD, no zero UPD. But we know that in the leave database we can see here Prashanto Shil has taken leave 11th to 11th, 1 day leave. So in the attendance sheet is not showing because we have added the attendance after the attendance has been done. So you have to remember this. You cannot add any new dates after you have completed everything for any month. You can add dates for those months whose attendance and payrolls had not been done. So this is very simple, and all these things have to be done in this holiday list settings. We will understand the settings of leaves. First, we have given here a list of 10 leaves. Maybe in your company you don't need 10 leaves, you need only 5 leaves. So just uncheck these leaves. They will be affected on your attendance sheet or everywhere else. And if you want to rename this leave, just change them. Suppose here is sick, you want to name it as ill leave. You can do that. And these are the acronyms of these leaves. You can also change that, and they will also be affected on every sheets. And these are the day values. Suppose this is makeup day. Makeup day means if anybody want to make up his leaves by doing his work on holidays or weekends, then he can do. Or every leaves value must be 1 except the half day. Half day should be 0.5. And these are the colors for the legends. You can change them, and you have to check this box if that leave is payable. If this, suppose makeup day leave is payable, then just check it. And if suppose this is unpaid leave, so we have unchecked this box. Let's see how this work. Let's go to attendance sheet, and in the view report we can see here week, work day, total work days, holidays, weekends, present, absent. These are the common legends, and these are the leave legends. 10 leave legends are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If we don't need any of them, just go to settings and click there and uncheck them. Suppose we have unchecked them. This is a half day, that is HD, WH or O. Go to attendance sheet. We can see here there is only 7 leaves. That 3 leaves has been hidden, and as they are hidden, they will not be get calculated. Let's see. First check them again. Go to attendance sheet. Let's go to month October. Here you can see total work days 20, 2 holidays, 9 weekends, 1 present and 8 absence, 3 sick leaves, 8 unpaid leaves, and his total paid days are 15. How these paid days are 15? Total his total work day is 20, but he will be get paid for holidays, weekends. So holiday plus weekends plus present. He will not be paid for the absent days. He will be paid for sick 3, and there is unpaid leave 8. 23 including unpaid leave. And if we exclude this unpaid leave, we can see here 15. Here we can see 8 is unpaid leave. So in settings, we have unchecked this as not payable. So it is not calculating, it is calculating only 15. But 15 plus 8 is 23. When we check this as payable in the attendance sheet, it is now taking 23. So if you uncheck it again, you can see here 15. So, and again, if you, let's see, if you uncheck this one, that means you don't need this leave. Let's go to attendance. There is no UPD leave and it is showing only 15. Let's see another thing. Suppose we don't need sick leave. Go here. It is, check it as payable. So this is 12 and plus 8, sorry. So here it is showing 9 plus 1 10 and 2 11, 2 plus 9 11, 12 and 8 20, but it is showing here 23 because we have not unchecked it. Unchecked it and see it is showing 15. Sorry, we need this one. So check it and uncheck this one. So it is showing 20 now. So in this way, all the settings change the calculations. And if you change the leave acronym, suppose unpaid leave, you just give UL and enter, go to attendance sheet, it is shown as UL. So in this way, you can also change the acronym or the name of the leaves here. Also go to sick and you will rename it as sick ill. Go to attendance sheet, it will show as ill. So in this way, you can change the sick leaves, and here you can see sick leaves. If you just increase the size, you can see here sick leave. So in this way, as you change the settings of the leaves, all these calculations and all the things are changed. Suppose you change this for others and blue from black. Now go to attendance sheet, you can see it is black. In payroll sheet it got to black. So everything get changed in payroll sheet also and attendance sheet also. So this is all about this leave settings, and on the next video updates we'll do the tracking of the balance of leaves, maximum leave allowed and maximum carry forward days for next year. We'll also add these 3 things. And this is a professional tax lab, so you can do it for very easily by yourself only. So these are the settings made on setting sheets. You have to do all these things prior to starting your attendance. Now next sheet is employee database. In employee database, you have to add the new employee only. Here, suppose here there is already employee 10, so I type EMP010. You can see here employee ID already exists, new employee ID will be cleared. Now again type EMP011, the employee has been taken. Now type a name Rajat Singh as a salesman, department is sales, and he has joined, suppose today 26th November 2020. Let's take it 10th November, and he has not resigned yet, and his salary is 23,000. You have to put every details except the resign date, and put the resign date if he has resigned, otherwise the calculation will be mistaken. So this is all about employee database. Just enter the new employee database. Now we will understand the user ID and password sheet. Here we have to put the employee ID, employee name, username, user password, in time, out time, and images. And security code is for this file. Now it is optional. You can give the security code or you cannot. But this should be done using this button. We got the employee joining form. Here put EMP011 Rajat Singh, username Singh2, then password 123 security code ABC 10 am to 5 pm. Then click a picture, suppose this one, open, then submit. The user ID has been created successfully. Now if you check it, suppose you type EMP011 and it is shown here, and if you want to change any of the details from here, you can change it. Suppose you want to change ABC to BCD, update, that is from ABC to BCD. And this way, if you want to change the password 1232 update, password is changed. So in this way you can update it, and if you want to clear all this, then reset. And if you want to delete any user, then you just select it and click delete. Suppose first let enter another one, EMP012, employee name Ratan, username rat, password mouse. Suppose I put confirm password AMO. Let's see what happens. ABC 10 am to 5 pm. Okay, now submit. It's not working. Just put USE, submit. It has been submitted. Okay, now put here again, suppose EMP012, search it, we got it. Now just delete it, delete. Okay, you can see here it has been deleted. Okay, so this is all about entering the details in user ID and password. So next we will understand attendance database. Here, using the user form, all the attendance database are entered one by one below the last database. So using that form, only employees can enter his attendance, but if admin want to enter his attendance, he can do it by using this button, login. So at the end, you can see here it is Chandra Sale. Just click login. The admin's entry has been done. And now if you just click log out, his logout time has been done. And on the base of this, which employee is inside the office or he has left the office or completed his attendance, from the user ID and password, if you click any employee, you can see here the image of that employee is displayed and colored is shown yellow. Here when yellow color is shown, that means he has completed his attendance, and green means that employee is present at the office. And here also this employee is also present in the office, and this one shown yellow, this employee has completed his attendance, and this one is shown as red because he has not entered at the office and he is absent today. So in this way you can see the images of the employees and his status by this color. There is nothing to do much. This all things are done with the help of that form we have shown at the beginning. So let's see leave database. Here you do not have to do much. Just enter any employee's name. Suppose let's first go here. We have entered our new employee 11. So put here EMP011. Now you can see everything is generated automatically. This employee's attendance has not done for October because this employee has joined the company at 10th November. So go to November. See, from 12th he has joined 10th. 10th and 11th is a holiday. From 12th his attendance started and all the days are absent. So if he takes leaves from 17th to 18th as a sick leave, we have to put here EMP011, his automatically the name generated. Now 17th November 20 to 18th November 20, he has taken a leave of sick leave and total sick leave days 2. Now in the attendance sheet we can see here it is shown as sick leave, and in the attendance you can also see that as he is not present on any day, all the days are absent. And as today is 26th, in the 27 it is not showing any value. So leave database is just you have to enter these things only and everything will be affected in attendance sheet. Now let's understand this attendance sheet. As we have set the period for April 20 to March 21, it is showing here, and we have selected the November month 2020, and these are the attendance. So when you change any month, you can see here days are changed. Suppose we took November, first day is Sunday, and when we took October, first day is Thursday. In this way it is automatically changed, and here you can also see last date is 31, and when we take November, last day is 30, and up to today's date, that is 26th November, the days are filled with the attendance legends, that is absent, present, or any holiday and any other leave types. But from 27th it is showing blank. Let's go to December. Everything is blank except weekend and holidays. So let's go to October. As we can see here all the attendance legends, we can see the view of the report. Here we can see the for October total work days 20, holidays 2, weekend is 9, and this employee is present 1, absent 16, 0 makeup, 3 sick leaves and no other leaves. His total paid days is 12. And click the view attendance, you will go to the attendance again. So this is all about attendance sheet. Everything is generated automatically. Now let's see payroll sheet. So this is payroll sheet. First you have to think which month's payroll you want to see. This is for October 2020. So in October, here all the employees name, code and designation are given. If you give here EMP00, sorry 011, so his salary rate is this one. Basic salary 50,000, 10,000, DA 20,000, HRA travel allowance is 5,000, and medical allowance is 7,500. Total salary is 93,000. And now his in this month 2 holidays. This is weekend, and all the leaves and details are here. So 12 paid days. 11 and 1, 12 paid days. Now let's click view salary. total paid days is 12, so his basic salary becomes 19,355. Total DA is 4,065. HRA, TA all are calculated automatically, and if you give bonus, suppose we give bonus 2,000 to this person, and total gross we got 36,000, and reduction will be done on EPF 860. All these are calculated. You can see here, these are calculated for employee. 12% EPS, pension is 8.33%, ESI is 0.75%, professional tax is done with the help of this slab. So now net salary becomes 32,767. So all calculations are done, but you can see here total paid is 11, 15, 16, but there is no salary, because we have given a condition that if the salary is present is 0, then salary calculation will be not done. So let's see here, view all. Here the present date for these persons are 0, and this person also is 0. So this one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. These are 0 present. So there is no salary for those persons. And if you want to save this payroll sheet, just click export PDF to get PDF file and print sheet to get printout. So first let's see export PDF. So our year is 2020. Export. See, we have got the folder 2020 and the file name became October 2020. Save. PDF file has been created. Okay. Now go here. Payroll sheet 2020. Just open this one. You can see here the salary sheet is given here this way. So you can get the PDF file, and if you want to get the print sheet, just click on here. It will be printed automatically with the help of your default printer. So in this way you can get the payroll sheet saved. Now we will go to payslip. Put the employee ID. Everything is generated automatically. His attendance is 12. Total day is 31. His designation is accountant, Prashanto Shil. His total earnings is this. This is gross salary, and total deduction is this, and net salary become 34,679. You can again print it on your paper or export file. So click print PDF. Now you can see here the employee 001 and file name became employee 1 Prashanto Shil October 2020. Save. Okay, you can see here, go to payslip, employee 1 folder has been created and saved in this file. And if I want to save the payslip for employee 2, now let's take 6. We got here export, employee 6 folder created. Okay, you can see our employee 6 created. Now we got for employee 1 2020 October 2020. Now we want to do September. Go to attendance sheet, take September, then go to payroll. It is for September, all is 0, so we have to change the month to October. Go to payroll. Yes, we got here. So go to payslip 1, then export. See, we have taken the employee 1 and it is saved in employee 1's folder only. Save. If we take employee 6, employee 3 and 6. Let's check it. Whenever we save any employee's payslip, it will go to his folder only. And in payroll, when we save this payroll sheet, then when we export it, it will go to the year folders only. Suppose we take the salary sheet of November. Let's go to attendance sheet and take it as November. Okay, it's taken November. Export it. Say November in 2020. If we take December, there is no data. Still, I will save it. Export. See, it is coming on it 2020. Now, if we want to change the settings for here 21, now we got the attendance for 21. We go here, view attendance, October. Now payroll, export, it is going to 21. See, automatically it's changed to year 2021. Save. So in this way, everything in this file are done automatically. So this is all about this application, and I hope you like this application. So please hit the like button and share this with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get regular notifications when we upload new Excel based application tutorial to make your life easier. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.